Alright, the second most missed problem from our last problem set was actually an older question. Alright, so this says let f and g be differentiable functions with the following properties. G of x is greater than 0 for all x, and f of 0 equals 1. If h of x equals f of x times g of x, and h prime of x equals f of x times g prime of x, then f of x equals, and they want to know what it equals. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a real quick setup here, and rather than lean on what they said for h prime of x, I'm going to find h prime of x. Alright, we have a product of two functions, so we're going to use our product rule. So first d second plus second d first. Now I look back up to what they told us it should be. Alright, and they told us it should be f of x g prime of x. Alright, so realistically, they're saying it should be this piece. So now I need to look back in, and I need to find out g of x times f prime of x. Now, we know that g of x is greater than 0, so this has to be positive. Alright, that means we need this piece to be 0. That's the only way that we can get back down to what they said it should be, which is f of x times g prime of x. So I need a function f of x such that f prime of x equals 0. So I'm going to look at my choices. That one's out. Derivative of that would be f double prime. That one's out. Derivative of that would be g prime. This one's out. Derivative would be e to the x. Alright, this one, we'll say maybe, because the derivative of 0 is 0. And then this last one, 1, right, derivative of 1 is definitely 0. Now, we know we can exclude d, because if that is 0, then this first piece would disappear as well. And the original problem would be pretty non-interesting, because it would be 0 times g of x, which is just 0. Alright, that leaves us with a correct answer of E. Hope that helped. Thank you very much.